Hello, good morning, everyone. This is my day 4 of reading 2 chapters from the Bible. This morning I have read from the book of Epistle Romans chapter number 14 and 15. So I would like to share with you today what are the things I have read from these 2 chapters this morning. Here we go. From the book of Romans chapter number 14 is writing about the weak and strong believers in the church. Paul was writing to the church about the weak and strong believers. So chapter 14 verses 1 through 9 said, Paul was talking about the different level of the believers' spiritual growth. Some believers, they don't understand freedom about what kind of the food they supposed to eat. The strong believers condemn the weak believers, and the weak believers judge the strong believers. That's why Paul said, in fact, we must serve the Lord because we all are belong to the Lord. So that's why in the same way in verses 10 to 12 also said, do not judge or sore condemn each other. Everyone will be evaluated at the judgment of the seat. So Paul was saying all these things in chapter number 14. And then when we see in verses 13 to 23, he said, don't do something moreover that will confuse the weak believers or cause him to go against his level of biblical understanding. So give him freedom to choose what we all do. So we must do with more confidence. If we do something against with our conscience, so it is sin for us. It is sin for us. So whatever we do, we must have evidence and do confidently. Do confidently. So this all about weak believers and strong believers conflict in the church. So now we will see Romans 15. 15 is talking about thinking like Christ toward one another. All these things about same chapter only. He's talking to the believers only. Romans 15, and Paul was teaching to the believers to be strong in faith, or to sacrifice their own desire to live peace and harmony with believers. So Paul also expressed the believers how God was always planned to accept the Gentile, and his mission was introduce the message of salvation by faith in Christ alone. By faith alone. So he also wants to visit the Christians who are in Rome and plan to do some financial aid to the poor believers Christian in Jerusalem. So Paul was thinking about all these things. So because of that, Paul also helped to the poor believers in Romans in Jerusalem in his time during his ministry. So today all these things what I have learned from these 2 chapters is this. So I hope everyone will understand. Everyone may understand what I'm trying to say in these 2 chapters. So through this short meditation this morning, I would like to nominate one of my friends, Acham. He is from Manipur, to take this challenge. So guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Have a nice day.